Hey Berries, it's Heyyy Berry here, and as you can see, this is a part 2 about my press-on nails. Part 2. So part 2 is basically how the nails pretty much treated me after applying them. Just my trial and error with these nails and just live footage of me having to do my everyday activities and seeing how long they last. So this was immediately after applying the nails. What's up, y'all? So it is part 2 of this nail. And I'm just dropping stuff. Hold on, let me get my life together. I literally just did the video, so I'm going to do like a 24-hour thing. So these are the nails. You can get all the information in my other video. So let's just do my everyday thing. Let me clean up my studio first of all. All right. So let's just see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my makeup off. These lashes is only like $2 at the beauty supply store. Get on it. Don't sleep on them beauty supply store lashes. But these nails are, it feels very sturdy. Like, so sturdy. Like, it don't feel like it's about to pop off. So I'm feeling good about this. I do have to do some laundry. So I'm gonna be doing that as well in this video. I gotta eat. I'm gonna wash my face tonight, and we're gonna just see if this nail or if these nails pop off. All right, let me get my clothes together, and then I'll meet y'all in the laundry room. So this is my laundry, right, y'all? So I was walking out my room, hit my door a little, and the pinky came off. It's on the floor. Let me go get the glue and put it back on. Okay, so I'm gonna just put it on my nail and like just put it back. Put a little extra on there. And then I'm gonna just unexpected. What has been like an hour? It's probably like an hour since I did it, and I got one popping off already. But it's cool. Let's see. Maybe I didn't put a lot of glue on this one. All right, so I think it's good. It's not coming off now, and I'm hitting it pretty hard. Oh, with a nice little force, but they all on. They survived through laundry. That door was just like, no, let's get this pinky finger off. Then I had some Popeyes, and I was like, let me see if they stay on during like greasy finger food, you know? So I even was eating to see if they stayed on. The next task was washing my face. Like, I was just afraid of how would my nails react after I washed my hands. I used soap and water, and I'm just like, okay, so I washed my face. And nothing happened. Like, face was washed and everything was good. I was able to wash my face and moisturize it, and none of my nails popped off. But I was transferring my clothes from the washer to the dryer, and the other pinky fell off. So I'm gonna buff my nails first, because I do have like the residue like glue on there. I don't know if you can see it. Sorry if it's not focusing. It's only been a few hours. Only been, let's say, I think it's only been like 4 hours since I put it on. I put the nail in my pocket because I saw it in the washer machine. I was like, that's my nail. When I was transferring everything. So I'm going to put it on the nail and on my nail, the glue. I'm going to put a lot. Not too much, but I'm going to make sure I cover the entire nail. So I got to do a few things tomorrow. I got to shower. I'm working from home tomorrow. Washing my face again. I'm going a few places tomorrow. I'm in Chicago, so it's been snowing. So I gotta wipe my car. That pinky is back on. Let's do the test. Back on. The rest of them do feel pretty sturdy. And let's keep it going. I even was editing. I use the keyboard, of course. The keyboards, that's when you kind of really test them nails. Can they last against a keyboard? I'm not nails. I'm kind of like, I thought she was doing like your nephew nails. Like, oh, like these are my nails currently. But it lasted through that. All right, y'all. It's about like 1:30 a.m. So it's been like 8 hours and they are still on. None of the other ones popped off, just those pinkies. I was editing. That's what took me so long. Or that's why I'm up so late, because of editing. I need to go to sleep because I do have work in the morning. So yeah, I just wanted to tell y'all it's been 8 hours. I washed my hands like twice since I've been on camera. Yeah, they're still on here. Sorry I look a mess, but we'll come back tomorrow. So after the night was through, I was like, okay, let's see if I wake up with my nails. Good morning, Berries. So it's the next day and all my nails are on. They have survived through the night. I know through the night, like I scratched my head. I try to keep my scarf on. I probably like, you know, just do like my random scratches or, you know, just sleep activity, and they stay on and they still feel pretty tight. So I'm about to just get ready to do my everyday activities. I have to do some work. I have a meeting. So I just want to tell y'all I woke up with all my nails. Yang yang. All right. Doing laundry, taking it out the dryer the next morning, and the thumb pops off. So that's 3 fingers as of right now. Let me get my glue and let's redo it. Then it was time to shower. That was like beyond washing my hands. I'm like, I'm about to get in the shower for 15 plus minutes and I want to see if my nails can really last. Can these last through the shower? So I just showered and put my clothes on and not one nail popped off. Like, that's amazing. I really thought the world was gonna destroy these nails, but they didn't. Like, of course, I use soap in the shower. I brush my teeth in the shower. I wash my face in the shower. So it was a lot of soap and water action and they didn't come off. So I'm excited for that. That's really dope. These nails really, and they pretty sturdy. So yeah. Another task was cleaning off my car outside in the cold with my little scraper and a snow brush. It lasted through scraping and snow brushing. I was able to open bottles, apply makeup, open doors, and other things like that. After those 3 nails popped off, I was able to wear these nails for a whole week and a half. This was like 9 days I was able to wear my nails, and then it just started popping off. One hair popped off and I could not find where it was. I don't know what happened. Like, I got up, all my nails was here. I did work and I felt it and I was like, my nail is gone. I looked everywhere and it's gone. So that's pretty much the end of this era. I think I'm just gonna take them off. It was a good run, beautiful run. But 9 days was amazing for these nails. The nails did not actually break, like they didn't like break in half. All they did was like pop off, and when I applied it again, put a little extra glue on there, it stayed 9 days. 9 days of showering, 9 days of washing my hands. It had some good quality to it. So after that 9th day, one popped off. I could not find it. And I was like, I'm just gonna pop off all my nails. I end up not even doing that. I end up just like going throughout my day. I lost one in the shower. Like I saw one go down the drain. So unfortunately I won't be able to use that set again, but I would definitely purchase from them again. If you want the details of those nails and the company that I ordered from, I have a video. I can link it down below, and it's actually the video right before this one. So you can just look on my channel for it. This is great for like if you want to just like go out for like the weekend with your friends, or this is perfect for like at, you know, a nighttime like outing. They're gonna definitely stay. Not like no swimming, like I don't test it too much with like swimming or like other extreme sports. But if you just like going out regular degular, you just trying to be cute, look like you got a fresh acrylic on or gel nail on, definitely get you some press on nails. So if you really wanted to stay, just put the extra glue on there. Make sure you are shaping it on your nail, because I feel like if you apply the nail and they're like hanging off, it's gonna pop off. Like I feel like it's gonna pop off. But once you measure that nail perfectly and you put the nice amount of glue on there, you're good to go. So that was that. I wanted to show you guys how long it lasts for me. Like I said, 9 whole days. 3 of them popped off, but as you saw, you know, I was doing stuff. Just make sure if you want them to last long, put extra glue on there. That's pretty much it. And make sure they are shaped to your nail. But that's pretty much it. I hope y'all like this style of video. This is my first time doing something like this. But if you made it to the end of this video, you got to choose Berry of the bunch. Thank you again for watching, and I will see me in my next video.